Hi, in front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this OPPO device. Start by opening Play Store and typing iOS Launcher. Now you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Then you need to go into Settings, scroll all the way down, choose App Management and tap on Default Apps. From here, click on Home app and tap on iOS Launcher 1. Then choose Got it and OK. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!